Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's really, man, it's really superb. So much fun to fly. I can't get enough of it.
GPS mode.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. I'm flying the Z2 with my jumper T18 radio, and since I set it up, it was really super easy to set it up. The original receiver provided is SFHSS protocol, so jumper actually binds really well. However, I have just put in a Futaba R208SB receiver, which is also SFHSS and bound to my T18, and I have set the flight modes. Just now you watched it, it was flying in GPS mode. So let's take off in GPS mode again, and after that I'll fly manual mode. Because using jumper I can tweak it much more according to my flight style, and I don't like those, you know, slow flight dual rates. It can really pick up some good speed, and it is still very, very stable. So first let me fly in GPS, and after that we will fly in manual mode. So GPS mode is just like this: auto take off, you can have auto return to home, and so on. And you can fly it nice and slow. With these strobe lights, it looks absolutely beautiful at night. Look at that, mashallah. So that was GPS. Now let me fly it in manual mode and see what we can do actually with this one, and if it will crash or not. So now it's a stability mode, and we are going manual, no GPS. See, if I leave, it will just drift. So I will have to control it all the time. But now I have much more control over it, and I have to control the throttle manually as well. So you can see it's not slow actually. Compared to the video that I posted with the stock radio, they have actually dialed in a lot of expo and dual rates, so it flies very slow. But with manual mode, it has a lot of potential. You can see it's fast, and you have to control throttle a lot. So I'm gonna put in an altitude hold mode, and now it will hold its altitude. And it's easier to fly. It's really, man, it's really superb. So much fun to fly. I can't get enough of it. Next thing, obviously, FPV setup on it. Woo! You can see how motor is picking up a lot of speed. But I have to be careful because I could actually overheat the Li-ion battery. Li-ions are not designed for extreme discharge, you know. They are designed for flying this thing in GPS mode slowly. But I believe this is enough, you know, demonstration. Okay. And activate RTH. And you can see I'm just holding the radio. It goes up and it's coming back to its landing spot. Bye bye. And now it decreases the throttle and it's landing. Yeah, full dual race and expo. Maybe I have to give it some dual race and expo. So here, it's landed, nice and safe, zero throttle, disarmed. That's all she wrote. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?